everybody, and welcome back for today's video where I will be showing you just how easy it is to make healthy gummy bears. So come along with me and we'll make this recipe together. If you don't know me yet, then hi, I'm Katie Reitzma, your registered holistic nutritionist and the founder of Live It Well Nutrition. If you haven't already, then go ahead and click that like and subscribe button so we can have more fun in more videos like this together. Okay, so this whole recipe only takes a few minutes, which, let's face it, is all the time you moms really have, right? So to start, if you don't have gummy bear mold, don't let that stop you. You can simply cut the jello into squares once it sets. The recipe I'm making, however, is the perfect quantity for 3 gummy bear trays or 150 gummy bears. Today, I'm keeping it simple and realistic for you moms out there, okay? You'll need 3 ingredients: juice, honey, and gelatin. That's all. First, you take 1 cup of your juice and you heat it up. It doesn't need to boil, but it needs to get hot enough to melt the honey and the gelatin powder. Once your 1 cup of juice is hot enough, use a whisk to stir in the 1 tablespoon of honey and 3 packets or tablespoons of gelatin powder. As you can see, it mixes pretty quickly. Then, if you're not using mold, just pour it into a baking dish and let it cool and forget about it. If you are using a gummy bear mold like I am, then take your turkey baster and start filling up those little trays. It'll only take you a couple minutes. I like to place mine on a tray because I bring my molds down to my basement fridge because my upstairs fridge usually doesn't have enough space that's open for these molds. They are not stackable, so that's another thing to consider when you do this. Do you have enough fridge space for 3 floppy gummy bear trays that are not stackable? When you take out your trays within an hour or so, you will find that they pop out of the mold super easily, just like that. My son, who's only 19 months old, loves these, and don't feel guilty giving them to him. There are actually nutritional benefits if using high quality juice, honey, and gelatin. And it's even a great sensory food where children can learn about different textures of food. So that's a really cool part of it as well. Ultimately though, try to find a juice without added sugar to it and with pure, straightforward ingredients, okay? You gotta be able to pronounce everything. With gelatin though, it's tricky to find a good brand. The most common brand would be Knox Gelatin. But Knox Gelatin is more affordable than other brands because it is manufactured using commercial factory farmed meats. In which case, you're not doing yourself or the animals any favors by consuming it. If you're watching and thinking, what does gelatin have to do with factory farmed meats anyway? Then I'll explain that gelatin is a gelatinous protein substance that is boiled out of the bone marrow of bones. It's filled with collagen and amino acids and has many beneficial qualities to it. I hope you liked this video, and I also hope to see you around for more. Go make your healthy gummy bears, but before you do, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so I can see you again. As always, friends, live it well because you only live once. Bye.